Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to disable reminder emails in X. If you're tired of receiving constant reminders via email and want to regain control of your inbox, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Once launched, you'll find yourself on the main screen. Step 2. Locate the account icon positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. In the Account Settings menu, tap on Settings and Support. This action will open a drawer with additional options. Step 4. From the drawer, tap on Setting and Privacy. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage various settings. Step 5. On the new screen, tap on Notifications and then tap on Preferences. This is where you can customize your notification preferences. Step 6. Look for and tap on Email Notifications. By selecting this option, you can manage the email notifications sent by X. Step 7. Now, locate the specific reminder email option titled Things You Missed Since You Last Logged In. Disable this option to stop receiving reminder emails. Congratulations! You have successfully disabled reminder emails in X, allowing you to have a more streamlined inbox and focus on what matters most. Thank you for watching, and may you enjoy a clutter-free and organized experience with X.